Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to increase your render distance on a Minecraft server. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So as you can see right now, I'm in my own server right here. You can see the render distance, and this is going to be for your own personal computer, but if you increase it more and it doesn't change, that's because of course it's limited by the server. Now if you're using any type of server, it works the exact same way. So for me, for example, I'm going to use Aternos, but you can do the exact same on anything from your folder. So all you have to do is to make sure to stop the server, and this is going to of course kick you out from the game. Once you do so, you're going to go to the files. Once you go to the files section, you're going to go down until you locate a file that's named server properties, and you're going to click on that. So you can see the view distance right here is set to 5. So you're going to just increase that to whatever you want. So we can set it to 30 chunks, for example, but make sure that your computer can handle it because this will use much more resources. Once that is done, you're going to make sure that it saves. And then from here, going to go back to your server and just turn it on. And as you can see, the render distance indeed did change and it increased much more. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.